Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to change your username on Pinterest. Right now I'm on Pinterest's home screen. We need to go to our profile, and how we go there, we're going to click on the icon on the bottom right corner that says save. Now that brings us here, and on the top right corner, as you can see, there are 3 dots and a little arrow icon. We're going to click on the 3 dots icon. And then we have a settings or a profile, copy profile link. We're going to click on the settings, and that will bring us here. As you can see, we have a lot of options here, but we're going to click on the first one, public profile. We're going to click on that. And as you can see, you have name, about, website, pronouns, and username. So we're going to change our username. Mine is How to Library, but I'm gonna add another Y. And then on the top right corner, you can see you have a little done icon. We're gonna click on that, and my username is changed. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.